I step into the forest where everything is covered in white. Ahead of me is an open, snowy clearing. To most people, it's just cold emptiness. But to me, it's prime real estate. Out here, there are no landlords, no rent, and no neighbors complaining about loud music. Just me, the snow, and silence. In the middle of this harsh winter, this empty patch of ground is where I'll build my little home. Freedom doesn't always mean fancy vacations or big houses. Sometimes it's nothing more than a tarp, a few ropes, and the courage to raise a shelter with your own hands. The poles click into place, the fabric stretches against the wind, and little by little, my mobile home takes shape. Out here, no one cares how it looks. It doesn't need to impress anyone. It just needs to keep me alive.